7 dental practice trends you don't want to miss. Number 1, in-office digital laboratory spaces. Growing in popularity, these larger, more visible laboratory spaces integrate top-tier digital equipment for precise diagnostics, enhancing workflow, and treatment outcomes. Utilize advanced technologies to boost your brand and your competitive edge. Number 2, smaller reception areas. The trend is shifting towards smaller, efficient spaces to reduce wait times and increase treatment areas. Emphasize quick check-ins and fluid transitions to treatment rooms. Number 3, visible sterilization rooms. Showcase sterilization areas with glass walls to demonstrate hygiene transparency and build trust in this post-pandemic era. Number 4, privacy-focused design. Incorporate private consultation areas and secure check-in kiosks to protect patient confidentiality. Use glass partitions to maintain an open feel while ensuring privacy. Number 5, playful touches and patient entertainment. Integrate entertainment like gaming consoles and large-screen TVs. Create interactive spaces enjoyable for all ages, enhancing the patient experience. Number 6, practices with personality. Express your unique style and values in every design element. Select distinctive themes and decorations to make each visit memorable. Number 7, sustainable and eco-friendly design. Focus on sustainability with eco-friendly materials and practices. Design energy-efficient spaces that minimize your environmental footprint. Integrating these trends goes beyond aesthetics. It's about crafting a space that reflects your professionalism and patient care. It's your design, your brand. It's personal. Ensure your practice is welcoming and impressive from the first step inside. For more trends, download our lookbook featuring 18 trends from 15 real-world practices across 26 pages of stunning visuals.